G'day guys, today I'm going to draw DJ Jet from Stumble Guys. Let's start with a curve for the top of the glasses. And it curves around like this into the middle and then curves around like that, almost like ski goggles. Then we've got a line coming up there and a line coming up there. We're drawing this pretty well straight on, and then I'm going to put a line across here and then the helmet comes up and curves around like so, almost a bit like a stormtrooper too. This is a little bit that comes up there, and then this one is a bigger one that comes up like that. Now we've got the bottom of the head like this, then we've got this little piece that comes in and back up there, and the same on this side. Now we've got some earmuffs. Let's draw the earmuffs. So starting up here, there's one front of the earmuffs, two front of the earmuffs. Got some stripes on that, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 lines there. Then we've got this little padded bit comes out for the earmuffs. Then we've got a piece that comes over the top. So we're going to bring that up and then curve that around and then straight down. Up, try and keep that all the same distance as best you can. I've gone a little bit narrow there. Okay, now we've got the neck down into the V like so. A little bit of a padded vest or jacket, same on both sides. Then we've got these like straps that come down like this. There's one. This one comes down like so. Then we've got this other little piece here. Now we've got the arms coming out. So one arm with like a wrist guard on, and then the stumble hand in there. And the arms are sort of going back. DJ. Different coloured wristband on this side with then the hand. Now we've got a bit there. Then we've got a belt. The buckle for the belt. Belt seems to be coming through like this. Now we've got a little bit of leg in here with like a knee pad that comes up. Here's like the knee pad. And then we've got the boot. And the boots are looking backwards as well, and there's the other leg. So leg, knee pad, middle of the knee pad, knee pad, and then the boot. Little emblem. Let's put a thicker outline on that one.